Hello everyone, welcome back to Dibya. Today I am going to show the unboxing of Ultimate Science Kit from Einstein Box. So let's start. Now I am going to remove the cover. Okay, now let's see what this science kit consists of. Okay, so here is a thank you card. This is the instruction manual. This contains of total 40 experiments. This is the experiment paper on which you can do the experiments. This is a balloon. These are some containers for mixing, and there are 3 containers. Here is a smaller one which consists of only 2 containers. For mixing. Here's the stirring sticks. These are the test tubes. They consist of caps. There's a funnel. This is a beaker. With these glistening threads, you can make soaps, and these are like almost of 5 glistening threads. This is glue bottle, clear glue bottle. This is vinegar. This is blue food coloring. There are 3 food colorings like this: the blue one, the yellow one, and the red one. This is glow powder. This is the green apple scent. This is the rose scent. This is the baking soda.